Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga and I am on a mission to inspire you to lead a healthy and happy lifestyle. So in this video, we are going to talk about the best time to sleep. So most of you must be wondering what is the best time to sleep and what is the best time to wake up. So we are going to look at it from Ayurvedic perspective. So according to Ayurveda, our body has three different doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So our day is also divided into various slots, 6 slots of 4 hours each to be precise. So these slots are divided based on the doshas as well. So it is always considered that it is perfect when the Kapha dosha is high to fall asleep. So Kapha dosha induces dullness in the body, so that's the perfect time to be falling asleep. So according to doshas, the day is divided into these slots. So if you notice, from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the night, that is when the Kapha dosha is active. So that is when our body is slowly moving to the stage of being dull, and that's exactly when you're supposed to fall asleep. So 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. you need to have your dinner and you need to have at least 2 hours of gap between your dinner and your bedtime, and it's perfect to go to sleep before 10 p.m. because at 10 p.m. and 10 p.m. onwards, the Pitta dosha is activated, which is high on body activity, which will make it difficult for us to fall asleep. So the ideal time to sleep is before 10 p.m. Now, what is the ideal time to wake up? Again, if you notice this time slot, the ideal time to wake up is between 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. where the Vata is active, because after 6 a.m. again the Kapha becomes active, which again brings dullness in the body, which might make it difficult for us to wake up. So the ideal time is to sleep before 10 p.m. and wake up before 6 a.m. Now there is another way of looking at it. We need to be waking up at the time of sunrise or just a few minutes before that. It is also considered extremely healthy if you are waking up even before sunrise. So that is the Brahma Muhurta, which is approximately 3:30 in the morning. Now, how do we implement this in our day-to-day routine? So most of us are busy with work and we feel that we cannot get enough sleep and we cannot sleep at 10 p.m. or wake up at 6 a.m. But if you want to get the maximum benefits of your sleep, this is the ideal timings that you need to follow. So plan your day accordingly in such a way that you are starting your day at 6 a.m. and ending by 10 p.m. And that way your sleep schedule and a lot of other lifestyle routines are falling into place very, very easily. Another important thing to talk about here is the secretion of melatonin. Our pineal gland secretes melatonin, which helps in regularizing our sleep cycle. So that is not the only function of melatonin, it also helps in our immunity power and also blood circulation. Now, melatonin is secreted only during the night time. So when we are going to sleep on time, the pineal gland immediately starts secreting the melatonin. But if we are not sleeping on time and if we are browsing the phone or keeping the light switched on, the body gets confused. It still thinks that it is daytime and the melatonin secretion is affected. So this in turn affects our sleep cycle and also affects our immunity power. So this is something that is extremely important, which helps in deciding our sleep timings. So always remember, go to bed by 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. for a healthy and happy lifestyle. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We shall meet in the next video. Namaste.